Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to do unboxing of this smart video recorder which is like called Bodycam that I purchased from Temu. So let's start guys. So this is just now it has arrived and I'm going to open the first cover. So it came in a pretty simple format. Charging cable that has come, main camera. You can with this you can hold it in your t-shirt, shirt or anything. This is the camera and you can like change the direction, okay, whichever way you want to record. Now looking at this, right now it's off, we can turn it on. Memory card goes in here, okay, reset. This is the mic. Now other controls that we see here, okay. So with this we can take video and with this you can save the recording. It has got Type-C charging port that you can use. Now in order to turn it on, what we need to do, we need to move it to on, okay. You see this blue light, it's gonna flash a few times, and then if you want to do recording, you're gonna move this, and then if you want to save, just save it with this. And even if you don't do like that, like 10 minutes automatically it's gonna go. Again, for that you can read the instruction manual, and this is how it works guys. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.